In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable Google Translate on your Google search results. You can simply turn on Google Translator to change your search results to also other languages in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Google app. On this page, tap on your profile icon and select Settings. On the Settings page, tap onto the option of General. Then select Google Translate right here. You will have to enable this option on. When enabled, the Google app will offer to translate pages written in other languages. You can decide to disable the Google Translate at any time. That's how easy it is to turn on Google Translate on your Google app. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.